4 years ago, the tsunami and earthquake brought unparalleled tragedy to the people of Aceh and Nias. Family, friends, and homes were lost. What happened was beyond imagination. Some 800 kilometers of coastline, reaching between 4 to 6 kilometers inland, were completely destroyed. Hospitals and health centers were disseminated in their hundreds. Thousands of kilometers of roads were left impassable, linking only a deluge of destroyed seaport and damaged airports. More than 2,000 schools were damaged or destroyed, and some 2,500 teachers were lost to the force of the waves. After the waves returned to the ocean, hundreds of thousands of houses were left drifting on the ocean's calm. The nation and the world shared the grief. Then helping hands came from all around the world. Thousands of people from more than 50 countries and 500 organizations worked side by side to build back better than which was lost. And one of the largest humanitarian missions ever began. During the emergency phase, lives were saved. Later, in the 4-year journey of reconstruction, together with the commitment of a united world, the people stood up to rebuild their lives. Beyond the enormous challenge and through the hardships, BRR and partners support the rise of the people of Aceh and Nias. Over 100,000 new homes were returned to the communities, linked by networks of new roads and bridges across thousands of kilometers. Children are back to the new schools built to meet the thousands of replacement teachers who has been trained for the new beginning. New health facilities and services are brought closer to the people. The journey has been far from easy. Obstacles on the field were overcome with hard work and perseverance. Not only that, breakthroughs were introduced, allowing or improving new ways of doing things on governance, integrity, accountability, transparency, gender equality, and many other areas, bringing impact to the community.
Kalau kita lihat dari data-data yang ada dikeluarkan oleh Bank Dunia, memang terjadi peningkatan income, angka kemiskinan juga semakin menurun. Beberapa sumber kehidupan masyarakat yang tadinya rusak akibat tsunami secara bertahap sudah mulai aktif kembali. Yang diharapkan pasca berakhirnya rehab dan rekon ini, gairah untuk bekerja dan gairah untuk memperoleh pendapatan masyarakat diharapkan akan juga terus meningkat. Oleh karena itu perhatian pemerintah Aceh sekarang ini adalah pemberdayaan ekonomi.
Alhamdulillah setelah dapat dari BRR ini merasa sangat terbantu. Selain diberikan pelatihan berupa keterampilan itu, kami juga pernah dilatih cara mengoperasionalkan komputer dan in-marketing.
Kalau dulu barang saya cuma saya pasarkan ke Banda Aceh. Selama saya bekerja di sini, barang kita kan ke Jakarta, ikut event-event gitu, bahkan malah kita udah ekspor gitu.
Setelah ada bantuan kita ini udah ada peningkatan, sarapan paginya udah berubah meningkat menjadi sarapan pagi pakai nasi. Kalau sarapan pagi itu bukan pakai nasi sebelumnya. Bisa jujur aja ini kalau nggak ubi lah pisang lah di situ di sarapan pagi.
Now, the humanitarian journey of reconstruction entering the new era of sustainable development, leaving us with invaluable lessons that must be shared to return the favor to the world. Now we witness that the smiles of Aceh and Nias are worth extra miles. This is a celebration of unity. This is the celebration of humanity.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih dunia.
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 Terima kasih dunia.